to LushLoom. If you want to transform your bedroom into a luxurious and relaxing space, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you the most beautiful bedroom wallpaper designs in Dubai and why LushLoom is the perfect choice for your home. Most luxurious bedroom wallpaper Dubai. Dubai is known for luxury, and your bedroom should reflect that. Our bedroom wallpapers are designed to add elegance, comfort, and style. With premium materials and modern finishes, LushLoom wallpapers create a hotel-like luxury feel in your bedroom. Why us for bedroom wallpaper Dubai? At LushLoom, we focus on quality and customer satisfaction. We offer premium wallpaper materials, latest Dubai interior trends, professional measurement and installation, long-lasting and easy-to-maintain designs. We don't just sell wallpaper, we create beautiful bedrooms. We offer elegant bedroom wallpapers in Dubai. Our collection includes soft colors, elegant patterns, and modern textures. Each wallpaper is carefully selected to create a calm and stylish bedroom atmosphere. Our best-selling bedroom wallpaper types. Our most popular bedroom wallpapers include textured luxury wallpapers, 3D modern wallpaper designs, floral and soft pattern wallpapers, marble and metallic finish wallpaper, minimalist modern styles, trending bedroom wallpapers Dubai collection. Current trends in Dubai focus on neutral colors, soft textures, and elegant designs. These wallpapers make your bedroom look bigger, brighter, and more luxurious. Buy bedroom wallpaper 15% discount. For a limited time, enjoy 15% off on bedroom wallpapers at LushLoom. Contact us today for free consultation and expert installation. info@lushloom.ae. Outro. Thank you for watching. If you want a luxury bedroom makeover, choose LushLoom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.